Welcome in RBC Online. I am Dattatreya Raut. I have to deliver the new aspects regarding to the human health and diseases, cells of immunology, cells of immune system, cell of acquired or specific immune systems. Now, cells of immune system. In the immune system, there are the cells are the perform the vital roles in the to maintain the immune system actively. There are the two main types of the cells involved in the working of immune systems. These two main chief important cells are the involved in the working of immune system, that is known as the lymphocytes and another cell is known as the antigen presenting cells. Lymphocytes and antigen presenting cell, out of two cells, lymphocytes is the chief cell of a specific immune system of the body. Why called as the lymphocytes is the chief cell of the in the role of the specific immune systems? Generally, healthy man possesses the trilon lymphocytes, and these trilon lymphocytes, which is the essential for the performing the different type of the immunological functions to fight the invading pathogens. These lymphocytes is the chief cell in the role of the working of immune systems or the specific immune systems. These lymphocytes, which are the produced in the stem cell in bone marrow by the process is called as the hematopoiesis. The lymphocytes are the produced in the stem cells in the bone marrow by the process is called as the hematopoiesis, and these lymphocytes is the main or the chief cell of the immune system. They, like the other blood corpuscles, which are the arising from the stem cell by the process called as the hematopoiesis, which is the present in liver of fetus and in bone marrow in adult, which are the producing the stem cell and then goes to the maturity at the in a bone marrow. So is called as the B lymphocyte, and the another type of the lymphocyte is known as the T lymphocyte, which is the producing the bone marrow, which is the producing the stem cell of the bone marrow and goes to mature in the thymus as the thymocytes, which is the thymocyte is the immature cells which are the produced in the stem of the bone marrow, immature lymphocytes, and these migrate via the blood into the thymus and mature at as in the thymus and called as the T lymphocytes, and the T lymphocyte is called as the T cells. And another lymphocyte is the known as the B cell or B lymphocytes. This B lymphocyte, which is the mature, is produced in the stem cell of the bone marrow and mature in the bone marrow itself. That will be produced at the one place and mature at the same place, mature in the bone marrow itself, so called as the B lymphocytes. B lymphocyte and T lymphocyte, B cell and the T cells. These are the main cell in the specific immune system, which are the perform the working in the immune systems. The mature lymphocytes, which are the produced at stem cells and goes to mature at the different places. T lymphocyte in the thymus and the B lymphocytes is the mature in the bone marrow. Then will be this mature lymphocytes circulate in the body fluids and many of them reside in the lymphoid organs such as the lymph node. Lymphoid organs, that is known as the lymph nodes, and the spleen. This T lymphocyte and B lymphocyte, this mature lymphocytes circulate in the body fluids, and many of them resides in a lymphoid organs. And these lymphoid organs such as the lymph nodes and the spleen, on being sensitized, both type of the lymphocytes, sensitized, both types of the lymphocyte undergo the division of the two type of the cell, that is known as the T lymphocyte and the that is known as the sensitized by the sensitized T lymphocyte produces the clone of the T cells having a different functions. These lymphocytes, which is the produce in the produce the T lymphocyte cells, clone cells, which is also called as the T cells, T clones, T cell clones. The gut associated bursal lymphoid tissues, tonsil spheres, patches, and are called as the bursal or the B lymphocyte, and other is differentiated into the thymus gland, are called as the T lymphocyte. The mature lymphocyte pass into the body fluids, blood and lymph, and circulate in the body. Many of them stay in the lymph nodes. These both type of the B cell and the T cell form the two systems. B cell are the responsible, produces the plasma cell, which is the specific plasma cell, and which specific plasma cell which are the responsible to produce the antibodies. So which are the produce the specific type of the system, that is known as the antibody mediated immune system. This antibody mediated immune system, which is the by the B cell, that is known as the B lymphocyte, which are the responsible for produce the specific plasma cell, and specific plasma cells which are the responsible to produce the antibodies. And then another type of the T cell, that is known the lymphocyte, that is known as the T lymphocyte, are responsible for the cell mediated, because the T lymphocyte, which are the produces the clones of the T cells, so called as the cell mediated immune system. Cellular immunity, while a B lymphocyte are generate the antibodies, produce the antibodies. Antibody mediated or the humoral immunity, that is also known as the humoral immunity. Antibody mediated immune systems and the cell mediated immune system. Antibody producing cell, B lymphocytes, and cell mediated immune system, that is the T lymphocytes. All the regards to the both type of the cell which are the produces the specific mechanisms as to the that is known as the immunology, that is that is known as the immunate, that is to perform the immune systems, because B cell, which are the produces the plasma cells, plasma cell produces the antibodies, then T cells, which are the produces the clone cells. There are the four type of the clone cells are the produces. In the clone cells produces the now we have to discuss about the mechanism of action of T lymphocytes to antigens, or that is known as the mechanism of response of T lymphocytes, mechanism of response of T lymphocytes to antigens. That means on coming in a contact with antigen, a T lymphocyte forms a clones of T cells. When T lymphocyte, when are contact with antigen, that means a pathogenic antigens, and T lymphocyte forms the clone of the T cells, which are the similar but they are perform a different function, which are the similar to the T lymphocyte. T lymphocyte are the producing the clones of the T cell after the contact with the antigen, and this similar but perform the different functions. These four type of the clone of the T cells are the perform the a different function, that is the helper T cell, killer T cell also known as the cytotoxic T cell, then suppressor T cells and memory T cells. Now these four types of the T cell are produced after the sensitized by the antigens to the T cell. Now this suppressor T cell, memory T cell, helper T cells, killer T cells are the cytotoxic T cells. When this clone T cell, which are the perform the different function in a different immunosystem, different functions. Helper T cell perform the specific function, killer cell perform the specific function, suppressor cell T cell perform the specific function, and memory T cell which are the perform the specific function, which is the particular function. That means killer helper T cell, जो this helper T cell when sensitized, that means helper T cell are the produces the specific type of the lymphokines. That lymphokines are performing the several type of the functions like the proliferation of the other T cells, stimulation of the B lymphocytes, and attraction of the macrophages. These are the main or the basic role of the helper T cell. The name of the T cell, that is the helper T cell, that will be help in the to the immunosystem producing the lymphokines. When sensitized, helper T cell produce the lymphokine for the performing the several type of the functions, and these several type of the function, that will be a proliferation of other T cell. Other T cell of this T lymphocytes, that will be providing the proliferation, then stimulation of the B lymphocytes, another function of the helper T cells, that is known as the stimulation of the B lymphocytes, and macrophages. These are the function of the helper T cells. Then a killer T cell or the cytotoxic T cell. Killer T cell or the cytotoxic T cell, they directly attack and destroy invading microbes or the pathogens infected by body cells and the cancer cells. That will be infected body cells and the cancer cell. That means a killer cell which are the directly attack on the invading pathogens, invading microbes, infected body cells and cancer cells also. Killer T cell bind to infected cell. Killer cell bind to the infected cell and secrete the perforins. When after the killer T cell bind to the infected cell, any infected cell, after the binding, these killer T cells secrete perforins, then the perforins form a hole in the infected cells. Killer T cell bind the infected cell, and after the binding secrete the perforin, and the perforins are the form a hole in the infected cell, and also releases the substances that kill the cell. Killer cell also releases the substances, hence the name is the cytotoxic T cell. Killer T cell is also known as the cytotoxic T cell because which also releases the substances that kill the cell. That kill the cell is the one function, forming the perforins to form the hole in the infected cell, and directly attack and destroy the invading microbes. Invading microbes which are the directly destroying by the killer cell or the cytotoxic T cell. So helper T cell and the killer T cell are the cytotoxic T cell, which is the clones of the T lymphocyte, which are the similar to the T lymphocyte, but they perform a different function. Then next one is the suppressor T cells and the memory T cells. Suppressor T cell and the memory T cell is also the clones of the T lymphocytes. Suppressor T cell, these cells suppresses the entire immune system against the attack on the own body cells. Immune system is distinguishing their own cell and the infected cell. So these suppressor T cell, these are the suppress entire immune system against the attack of own body cells. Own body cell are the protected by the immune system by the suppressing the entire immune system by the suppressor T cell. Is a specific function. There is a suppressing the immune system to attack on the own body cells. Then memory T cells. These are a previously sensitized cell which are retain the sensitization memory for a long time in the futures. You know that what is the exact example of the memory T cell? Any persons that will be suffer from the measles first time, at that time the measles, for the fight against the measles pathogens, microbes, viruses, that will be fight by the antibodies. Then these type of the memory is the store, that is these are the previously sensitized cell which are the retain the sensitization memory for a long time in the futures. In this way memory T cell and suppressor T cell and the helper T cell and killer T cell and cytotoxic T cell, these memory cell have the memory previously sensitized cells. In what type of the infection are caused? Then a mechanism of action of B lymphocyte to antigens. Mechanism of action of B lymphocytes to antigens. You know that I have to already discuss about the B lymphocyte. When this B lymphocytes sensitized directly by the both antigens as well as the by the helper T cells. I have already told about that the B lymphocyte are the sensitized by the helper T cells as well as the antigens. Both antigens as well as the helper T cell are the sensitized to the B lymphocytes. That means sense are the provided. Then activated the activation stimulations, providing the activated B lymphocyte multiplies very fast. Activated B lymphocytes multiplies very fast to produce clone of plasma cells, clone of plasma cell and the memory B cells. These plasma cells are produced by the lymphocyte, multiplies fast, very fast after the activated. And this plasma cell produce specialized glycoproteins. These specialized glycoproteins called as the antibodies, which are circulated through body fluids, humors like blood and lymph. These antibodies is the glycoprotein basically, which are circulated through the body fluids. Then the antibodies molecules may bind to the cell membrane and they remain free. The antibodies, when are released in the body fluids, it may be attached to the or bind to the cell membrane, or they remain free. The free antibodies have three main functions. Free antibodies have three main functions: agglutination, opsonization and neutralization. Agglutination means the agglutination of a particulate matter, including bacteria and viruses, engulfed by phagocytes. Opsonization means a coating of bacteria to facilitate their subsequent phagocytosis by macrophages, and then a neutralization of the toxins released by the bacteria. When the bacteria are infected and release the toxins, tetanus toxins, these tetanus toxins are neutralized by the such type of the free antibodies. So each antibody is specific for a particular antigens. And last cell is known as the antigen presenting cell. The antigen presenting cell engulf invading pathogens. Invading pathogen and the process the antigens, then proceed antigen are presented on their own surface. Antigen presenting cell are engulf the invading pathogen and process the antigens, then proceed. Antigens are presented on their own surface. These cells are able to deliver stimulatory signal that is necessary for the activation of the T helper cell. These are the specialized cells which include macrophages, B lymphocytes and dendritic cells. Dendritic cells. These are the specialized cells, and which are include the macrophages, B lymphocytes and dendritic cells. Macrophages is the monocyte as a blood macrophages and histocytes as a tissue macrophages, and B lymphocyte and dendritic cells, that is the Langerhans of the cell of the epidermis of the skin. Now finally you have to say that antigen presenting cell is the cell that will be signals to the activation of the necessary for the activation of the helper T cells. So I am Dattatreya Raut to request to the all viewers, welcome in RBC online by Dattatreya Raut. Subscribe, like and share my channels to in future all the new videos you can see on the my channels, and subscribe the such type of the channels.